Hello YouTube, मेरे each and every subscriber. Today I'm gonna show you how to change 2T oil of Yamaha RX100. हाँ, लाल कलरनी RX100. Let's go. Oops. Hello guys, today I'm gonna show you how to change 2T oil of Yamaha RX100. So make sure you have checked the level of your 2T oil left. Then you will need this. Just only -1. Then locate the bolt under your side cowl, unscrew it. After removing this cover, you can find 2T tank. Just slide like this and open cap and see how much oil left in your tank. It's a Motul 2T oil. I am also using this product for the first time. It will cost you around 136 rupees. I can get it from Amazon.com. As you can see, I had opened up the can and simply let's put oil inside your 2T tank. As you can see now, the mark is like right now almost half. We'll do same process with another bottle. Take original side cowl and fix it on its original position like this. Ready, and you can check the mark. Now it's full. You can tighten the bolt again. Make sure you are tighten your bolt. If you didn't, side cowl will fall down while you are riding the bike. Yes, so it's tight enough. So another thing I just wanted to share with you, there are so many misconceptions about WD40. तो मैं बताना ये चाहता हूँ कि I can use WD40 on like कोई भी अगर किसी भी पार्ट पे अगर रस्ट हो गया है तो I can use it easily. I can bindas spray any part of metal of my bike. I can spread over on my tank. Any fiber part, any carburetor part, any crown, anywhere except brakes. Easily spray on my tank. इससे ना like polish जैसा भी हो जाता है. Whenever I can find rust, I can spray it. Even I can use it as a polish. I just sprayed WD40 on my tank, and you can see so glossy, so clear. So guys, if you like my video, please do comment, like, subscribe.